Honey, I thought you said you were going to take care of that.
Sure I can, once I can find half a day to go sit in a dealership and have my car serviced.
Our mobile service technicians are here to take care of your vehicle's needs on your schedule, while at home or while you're at work. Don't let your busy schedule get in the way from keeping your car or your truck of any make from running its best.
What is this?
TEAM has a mobile service now. I scheduled it right on my phone.
Hi, my name's Ryan. What are we taking care of for you today?
Visit our website at teamautomotive.com to schedule mobile service today.